Hi students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In the last class we have discussed some theorems on algebra of topologies. The union of two topologies for a set X need not be a topology for X. If you take any two topologies for a set X, then their union need not be a topology for X. For example, let X equals set of ABC. T1 equals set of X pi set A. T2 equals set of X pi and single set B. T1 is topology on X. Clearly T2 is also topology on X. If you take their union, T1 union T2, X pi singleton set A, singleton set B. But T1 union T2 is not a topology for X, because first condition X belongs to T1 union T2, second condition pi belongs to T1 union T2 holds good. If you take their intersection of any two elements, that is also the element belongs to T1 union T2. If you take union of any two elements, for example singleton set A and singleton set B, they are belongs to T1 union T2, but their union, that is singleton set A union singleton set B, equals set of A comma B, which is does not belongs to T1 union T2. Therefore T1 union T2 is not a topology for X. That is, union of any two topologies for a set X is not necessarily a topology for X. Theorem: for any family of topologies for a given set, there exists a unique larger topology which is smaller than each member of the family. This theorem states that if you take any family of topologies for the some set X, then there must exist a unique topology which is the largest topology and which is smaller than each member of the family. Okay, proof: let X be a non-empty set and set of T alpha, T lambda such that lambda belongs to A be family of topologies for X. X is a non-empty set and this is the family of topologies. Okay, then their intersection of collection T lambda such that lambda belongs to A is clearly a topology for X. Okay, in the last class we have proved that arbitrary intersection of topologies is again a topology for the given set. Okay, so if this collection is a family of topologies for a set X, obviously intersection of this collection is also a topology for a set X. Okay, obviously intersection of set of T lambda such that lambda belongs to A is a subset of T1 for every lambda belongs to A, because intersection is always a subset of each set. That is, intersection of set of T lambda such that lambda belongs to A is smaller than each member of this family. If you take the intersection, this is always smaller than each member T1, T2, T3, whatever it may be, T lambda. So now we have proved that the topology, largest topology which is smaller than each member of the family. Now we have to prove there exists a unique largest topology. We assert that it is the unique largest such topology. Okay, now take, if possible, let T be a topology for X larger than intersection of set of T lambda such that lambda belongs to A such that T is smaller than T1. That is, intersection of set of T lambda such that lambda belongs to A contained in T and T contained in T lambda for every lambda belongs to A. Okay, intersection of T lambda such that lambda belongs to A contained in T, and T contained in T lambda implies T contained in intersection of collection T lambda such that lambda belongs to E. This is A is contained in B and B is contained in A, then A equals B. Therefore, intersection of T lambda such that lambda belongs to A equals T. Thus, intersection of set of T lambda such that lambda belongs to A is the unique largest topology smaller than each member of the family T lambda such that lambda belongs to A. Note: intersection of collection T lambda such that lambda belongs to A is a topology for X which is the greatest lower bound of the family T lambda such that lambda belongs to A of topology for X. Here this is a topology for X and which is greatest lower bound of the family T lambda such that lambda belongs to A for topologies for X. Okay, thus the above theorem may be restated as any family of topologies for a non-empty set X has a greatest lower bound which is precisely the intersection of this family. Above theorem, this theorem can be stated as this way. Next theorem, show that to any family of topologies for a non-empty set there exists a unique smaller topology which is larger than each member of the family. Okay, proof. Let set of T lambda such that lambda belongs to A be a family of topologies for a non-empty set X. Consider the collection of all topologies for X, each one of which is larger than T lambda. For each lambda belongs to the arbitrary set A. Such a collection is non-empty as the discrete topology is at least one such topology. Okay, let collection of T lambda such that alpha belongs to A1 for every alpha belongs to A1 and lambda belongs to A. But the intersection of any family of topologies for X being a topology for X, it follows that intersection of collection T lambda such that alpha belongs to A1 is also a topology, because we know that intersection of any member of topologies is again a topology. Evidently, intersection of set of T alpha such that alpha belongs to A1 is the smallest topology for X which is larger than each member of the family set of T lambda such that lambda belongs to A. Example, let X be any set and T equals set of pi A B X where A and B are non-empty distinct proper subsets of X. Find what conditions A and B must satisfy in order that T be a topology for X. Use this result to list all the topologies for X equals set of A, B, C which consists of exactly 4 subsets of X. Solution. For T be a topology for X, A intersection must be belongs to T. Because A and B are any two elements of T, then their intersection must be an element of T. That is, A intersection B must be belongs to T. Since A and B are proper subsets of X, they are the proper subsets, then the A intersection B cannot be equal to the set X. X is ABC. Okay. Therefore, A intersection B may be pi, may be empty, or A intersection B may be smallest set among A and B, may be A, or A intersection B may be equal to B. Now, when A intersection B equals pi, then A and B also non-empty proper subsets of X. Okay, if their intersection is empty, then A and B are non-empty proper subsets of X. We have A union B not equal to null set. A union B not equal to set A because their intersection is empty, and A union B not equal to set B. So, in this case, A union B equals X. Also, either A union B equals X or A is subset of B or B is subset of A. Okay, using this result, all topologies for X equals set of A, B, C, each consisting of exactly 4 sets may be listed below. T1, pi should be there, X should be. These are common elements to make a topology. And A, B, C, their union is A, B, C, that is X is there. Their intersection is pi there. Next, B, A, C, union is X, intersection is ampersand. C, A, B, A, B, their union is A, B, it is there, intersection is A there. A, C, union is A and their intersection is A, union is AC there. BC, T7, pi, set Ingleton set B, set of BC and X. These all are the topologies for the given set X equals ABC.